Exploring Mpumalanga in South Africa is a photographer's dream. You sense the vastness of the place. It's probably one of the most beautiful landscapes I've ever seen. In a single day, you can go from rugged mountains to these vast plains. You add this dimension of big game, and it makes it a totally unique experience. This landscape is really meant to be explored and experienced, and doing things like this really give me a sense of the place. There's something unique about watching the sunset over a South African landscape. It gives this incredible light that you don't see anywhere else. It's truly a spectacular experience.